Okay, part 2 of the Canyon Lake Auto and Tire Pros protective measures. When we receive your keys, we're going to give them a spritz of some 99% alcohol. Then when we go out to your car and get your mileage, we're going to hit the doorknobs, the steering wheel, and the gear shift levers. Another way to try to help protect you from the elements outside.
Yeah.
So we're going to get to the car, just give a little spritz. It doesn't hurt to hit the hand, so I get behind there. We are aware of some leather and products, but what we have found is that 99% alcohol does not affect any tanning, any colorization, nor will it damage anything in your car. It kills germs on contact. So we're going to give a spritz on the steering wheel, a spritz on the gear shift lever. We'll get your mileage and service your cars. And again, back to our protective measures. As customers come in and out, we also hit our handles so the next person is protected as well. Thank you again for choosing Canyon Lake Auto and Tire Pros.